Hey everybody, hey, it's Heather the original. What's good? What's up? How are you guys? How's everybody? Hope doing okay. Um, Welcome to my channel if it's your first time, or welcome back to my channel if you're continuing to come back. I appreciate it. Don't forget to do what? If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's in the corner. Boop. Hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, comment. Let me know you're here. I appreciate you so very much. I'm here today. I am doing just homemade. Yeah, I'm doing a homemade cheeseburger, potato salad, and some cheddar and sour cream potato chips. That's what I was craving. That's what I'm doing. Don't be mad. I did everything off camera, of course, I've been doing because it goes better for me. But I'm starving. I'm going to tell you the same thing. I'm ready to get in, right? I'm ready to get in. Because I'm hungry. As you know, I wait to eat with y'all. I eat once a day. That's it. That's it. That's all. Look at my little cheeseburger. What y'all think? Homemade, baby. Homemade. Homemade, baby. Homemade. Look at that. I'm about to bite this. Huh? Mm-mm. Gotta have it. Got to. This is good. Wow. You know, I like pat myself on the back. How you guys doing this evening? What y'all doing? What you up to? Oh, I got some stuff to talk about with y'all. Okay. Here in a bite. Hungry. That's what's up. First off, I'd like to know if you're an older chick, an older chick, and you appeal to younger men. Do you date younger men? You know, if you're in your 40s, date somebody in your 30s and their 20s, and so on and so forth. Like men do. Men do it all the time, and it's okay, right? Nobody thinks anything about it. But as women, when we date younger guys, we gotta get looked at as cougars or desperate or something. I don't know. When we go on our dating sites, because I know an experience when I went on dating sites. Now I'm getting right into the topic. I'm getting right into it. The only type of men that are always attracted to me were younger men. I didn't seek out younger men. There was the ones most attracted to me. I'm like, there's nothing about my profile that shows me being rich. I want to be somebody's sugar mama. And real talk. Like, I'm like, hold up, brother. I am not trying to be nobody's nothing. I have kids. They're grown. They're doing their thing. I have grandkids, and I'm proud of them. My grandchildren are adorable. They're 3 and 6 months. And I'm proud of them. Beaming with pride for my beautiful grandson. Though I'm a grandma. I am a grandma. I'm a Mimi. And I love it. I'm proud of it. And I don't care what anybody says, what anybody thinks. I'm proud of it. You know? Yeah, my age, getting back in the dating world sucks. But I'm not going to sit here and deny who I am. I'm not going to deny that the children I have. I'm not going to deny my grandbabies. I'm going to deny that. Because I own that. That's my family. That's who I love. That's who I care about. You come at me, you can't accept that. You're like, what is wrong with you? It's just getting back into the dating world is hard. For someone like me. So I'm weird. I blame it on myself. I'm weird. I have Peter Pan syndrome. You know. I want to grow up. I like having fun. You know. I'm still in love with my movies of Avengers and comics and DC and Marvel and following the characters and, you know, like, there's this inner teenager in me, you know what I mean? I'm hyper. I like hanging out. I like going to concerts. I like getting out, getting dressed, doing something. You know, I'm not your... I know I'm not. And I don't look that way. So I attract younger guys, which is hard on me. You know, because they see it as something different, you know. I'm like, I ain't got no money for you. My money's going to my kids. If I got any extra money, it's going to my grandbabies or my kids. It's not going to you. So do not approach me. Do not come at me like I'm a sugar mama. I am not. Younger and I don't give a damn. You know, you like to kick it, have fun, that's cool. But I'm not trying to pay for you. No. I don't care. I'll make it known on this channel right now. No. No. I enjoy my eating challenge. I'll tell you what I have. Yeah, I do. You know, I enjoy pursuing my YouTube career and being here for my babies and enjoying my life. And the older gentlemen are fine. It's just, God, why am I telling you guys all this? I don't even know. The older dudes, my age and older, they're such a bore. They are, for me, for how I am. Oh my God. They tend to be set in their ways, overprotective, boring. Like, if I met a man my age like me, it'd be perfect. I'd be great. But a lot of them tend to be so, like, I don't know, into themselves, I guess. Like, oh, you don't be making yourself like this, or don't do that, or don't do that. Oh, God. I'm not dealing with that. That turns me off. Like, oh my God, you're not my dad. My mom does enough of it for me. I don't need you to. For real. I don't. I got an overbearing mom. A great mom, but an overbearing mom. And a dad that claimed another young lady, but didn't claim me. So I didn't have no man in my life. And my mom's boyfriend, he didn't claim me either. I don't have no man in my life that claimed me. Even when I got married, the man I got married to did nothing but cheat on me. Well, basically anywhere. I don't care. They say. What's wrong with you? Because I was watching stuff today. I watched 2020 a man that killed 10 black women. It was a serial killer. Because he's killing black women, nobody paid attention. Nobody. As usual. Didn't connect the dots that he was killing young black women, one right after another, in the same city, Charlotte, North Carolina, where my ex-husband is from. He would have been like in his 20s at the time. And he was killing women back to back. They even all worked at the same place. What the guy? Was a black man killing black women. Nobody cared. Come out. Oh, well. There was too many detectives on each different case. I'm like, wait a minute. What you mean? There's too many detectives on too many cases. Y'all worked in the same office. Y'all worked in the same city, so surely, hell, they probably freaking knew more about what each other was having for dinner that night than they did about the damn cases. To be honest. You gonna bone today? Song. Mm-hmm. Let's do this. I'm sorry. I'm still trying to get the angle. That man sat there. I watched one with Shauna Hawk. She died at 20. And she was killed. She was strangled and raped and left in her bathtub. When I carried out her gurney, she had like a black outfit on. Let's just say it was very personal to me. Her favorite color was purple, just like my daughter. Her mother was an advocate for her. Henry Louis Wallace. You know what I'm saying? I can see me, can you hear me? Henry Louis Wallace killed 10 African American women in between North Carolina and South Carolina. His first victim was in South Carolina. Mm-hmm. And he almost killed one of their son. One of the babies, I guess, kept crying by her body. And to shut him up, he tied shorts around his neck and almost killed him. He's alive and well. Got a family of his own. You're like, Heather, your daughter wasn't murdered. I get that. I understand that. But what messed me up was how it was handled. Just like how I feel about my daughter, Shelby, how WIBW refused to find her mom. Even after a year that had passed, they still refused to find her mom. Although I'm getting full. But yeah, I had to go there. I went there. I did it. I'm sorry. Y'all probably like, what is going on? And if you don't know what's going on, that means you don't watch my videos. Well, go back, watch my videos, and you will see I tell the story throughout my videos. And hopefully you care enough to go back and watch and see where it's at. I talk about her. Talk about her every time in every video. Shelby, my baby, my beautiful 17-year-old daughter, died tragically. And you'll understand why. It can be. In my opinion. So, I'm just like, I'm so sorry. But I don't believe a word you're saying there. Can I tell the whole story? In one of my other videos. Might be the McDonald's one, I don't know. I don't remember. I'm always telling the story about the details. I didn't put it on Facebook. Maybe I should. Let everybody know, you know. I'm sure everybody, trying to figure it out, you know. I really didn't come back up, but I was so hurt by their response that I just shut down. I guess I'll do that. Yeah. Give it some closure. But I'm full, you guys. This was delicious. I didn't tore this up. That's what the doctor ordered. I'm hungry. I said, ooh. Oh. I ate, y'all. All right, y'all. I got to run to the now. Thank you guys for listening and understanding. I love you guys. Don't forget to do what? If you're new, seeing me for the first time, please remember to do what? Hit that subscribe button. Come back. Hit the notification button so you know when I drop a vid. And don't forget to comment, definitely like it, and share it. Yeah, I got a little testy and I'm heated. Follow my storyline, you'll see. I think I should be. Love you guys. Take care and bye-bye.